Okay, next up. How do you convert 3.125 into a fraction and into a percent? Okay, so 3.125 into two things. We need a fraction into an a over b form and then into a percentage form. So let's do the percentage first. So the way you convert any given number by a percent is you multiply it by 100%. So in your mind, you should already know that this number, since it's greater than 1, you would get a percentage which is greater than 100%, because essentially 1 represents 100% and then 0 represents 0%. So any number between this would fall between 0 and 100%, and any number above that would be greater than 100%. So 3.125 times 100 makes it into a percent. So we would get 3 2.5%. Okay, and then for the fraction, the way I usually do fraction questions is I look at the decimal and I get rid of the decimal. So if I get rid of this decimal, we would be left with, since there were 3 terms behind the decimal, we would have to divide by 1000. Or the other way of looking at it is if I have 3.125 and if I multiply and divide this expression by 1000, we would be left with 3125 divided by 1000. Okay, so we can convert this in a simpler form by using division. So we know that if I divide this expression by 5, I can continue to divide this. So let's see. So 5, 200 is 1000, and then 5 times 6 is 30, then 2 is 10, then 5. So we're given 625 over 200. Now this can still be further divided, so let's go ahead and do that. So 5 times 40, and then this is 125. Again, 125 over 40 is still divisible by 5, so we are left with 8 here, and then this is 25. So our final answer is 25 over 8. So for percentages, you multiply it by 100, and the final answer is your percent. And then for fractions, for decimals, just get rid of the decimal points, divide that number by that many zeros, followed by 1, so that many hundreds or tens or thousands, as there are decimal numbers behind the decimal, and then just keep dividing till you get the fraction in the simplest form. Okay, perfect. And then if we wanted to write it as a mixed fraction as well, we would divide 25 by 8. So 25 threes is 24, and the remainder is 1. So we're left with 3, 1 over 8. So let's quickly look at this solution. To express the givenness, if we multiply a number by 100%, we're given this. Decimal 1000 place means that we can divide. It's perfect. Okay,